For each customer, a so-called lot can be created. Each lot can display different and clear information, with different parameters for each customer. To create a new lot, click on Create Lot. In the next window, enter the required information, such as the lot name, who created the lot, a brief description, and the status of the lot. Finally, select which user and customer group this lot belongs to. After saving, you will see the new lot in the lots list. For each lot of a user's lot, you can see how many erasures have been made, how many are currently running, what status they are, and much more. Each lot can be corrected. Click on the specific lot, then select Actions and then Edit. You can change the name, username, description, and lot status. By clicking on Groups in the Lot menu, you can delete the customer groups of the lot or add new groups to the lot. Each lot can be exported separately. To do this, click on Export in the Lot menu. Before saving, you can choose which erasures are listed, with which status in the lot, and how the data should be grouped in the folder. You can save the report for a specific lot as a PDF file. To delete a lot, click on Delete in the Lots menu.